Okay, so can I be really honest with you for a second? Has this ever happened to you? You walk into a store, you know exactly what you want, and then someone speaks to you in English and you just freeze? That happened to me in a furniture store. The salesperson said, "Can I help you?" And I smiled, said, "Just looking," and walked out. I genuinely, desperately needed a new bed, and I left because I didn't know what to say.
No, yeah, totally. You know exactly what you want in your own language, but the English words just aren't there. And you kind of want the floor to swallow you up.
Exactly. And honestly, it's not because you're not smart or not working hard enough. Buying things uses a very specific kind of vocabulary that nobody really teaches you. So today, that's exactly what we're fixing.
Welcome to English with Sherry.
Yes, hi everyone, I'm Sherry, and this is my co host Nick. Let's get into it.
And this episode's perfect if you're at an A1 or A2 level, so beginner to elementary English. If you're listening right now and thinking, that's me, great, this is exactly for you. We're keeping everything simple and practical. No complicated grammar today, I promise.
Right, bed sizes, parts of a bed, key phrases, comfort words, delivery questions. All the English you need for one real shopping trip. Let's go.
Okay, so first things first, bed sizes. And this is exactly where I got confused. I walked into a store once, I knew I needed a bed, and the salesperson said, "What size are you looking for?" And I just froze. I didn't even know beds had different names in English. Have you ever had that feeling? You've probably been there.
Oh, totally. Okay, so let's go through them together. The first size is a single bed. Single. Say it with us. Single. It's a small bed just for one person. You might also hear it called a twin. Same bed, just a different name.
Yeah, single or twin, same thing. I actually grew up sleeping in one. Tiny room, tiny bed, just enough space for one kid. Perfect for a child's room or a small apartment.
I love that. And then the next size up, a double bed. Double. That means two. It's bigger than a single, made for two people, or for one person who really, really loves having space. No judgment at all.
That is me. I have a double bed and I live alone and I do not regret a single thing.
Same, honestly. Although I did upgrade from a double to a queen a couple of years ago, and I am never going back. So, the queen bed. Queen, it's kind of the sweet spot, medium large. It's actually the most popular size in a lot of countries, like the US. Most people end up with a queen.
Yeah, a queen is just comfortable for everyone, alone or with someone else. Most bedroom furniture is designed around it. Yes, and then the biggest, the king bed. King. Think about the most luxurious hotel bed you've ever seen. That enormous bed that takes up the whole room. That's probably a king. They are huge. A king size bed just sounds so fancy, like I feel important just saying it. Say it with us. King bed. King bed. It sounds like you own the whole room.
Right, I feel like royalty just thinking about it. Okay, so now we know all the sizes, but let's talk about the actual parts of a bed because this is where it gets really interesting.
Okay, so the most important part of any bed, and I really mean the most important, is the mattress. Say it out loud. Mattress. Go ahead, say it right now. The mattress is the thick layer you actually sleep on. It's soft or firm, and your whole body rests on it all night.
Right, the mattress is everything. Seriously. Beautiful frame, gorgeous headboard, fancy bedding, none of that matters if the mattress is bad. A bad mattress means a bad night's sleep. Every single night.
100%. Okay, next part, the bed frame. Frame. That's the wooden or metal structure that holds the mattress up off the floor. It's basically the skeleton of the whole bed.
Oh, the skeleton. Yes, that's exactly it. No frame, your mattress is just on the floor. Not ideal.
Exactly. And then at the very top of the frame, right behind your head when you're lying down, there's the headboard. Headboard. Some are simple and wooden, some are big and padded. Can you picture it?
Oh, a padded headboard is so comfortable to lean against. Like for reading in bed or watching something on your phone, you just prop yourself right up. I genuinely love mine. Okay, and then the bedding.
Yes, so the things on top of the mattress, that's the bedding. First, a pillow. Pillow, the soft thing under your head. And then a bed sheet, or just a sheet. That's the flat piece of fabric that goes right on top of the mattress.
Right, the sheet is the fabric layer between you and the mattress. It keeps everything clean and smooth. And then on top of the sheet,
The comforter, or some people say duvet, especially in British English. That's the thick, warm blanket you sleep under, and honestly, it's my absolute favorite part of getting into bed. That moment when you pull it up and everything is just warm and comfortable and quiet, there is nothing better. Comfortable. Remember that word, because it's coming back.
right, and honestly, it does not have to be scary. These phrases are short, simple, and they work every single time. Okay, so the first one, and this might be the most useful phrase in any store, anywhere, is how much does this cost? How much does this cost? You can literally point at anything and say that.
Yes, and honestly, that one phrase alone will take you so far. Picture yourself in the store, pointing at a bed. How much does this cost? The salesperson answers, and you're in the conversation. 5 words, done.
Great, okay, next, is this on sale? On sale means the price is lower than normal, there's a discount. Is this on sale? If you see something and the price feels high, that's your phrase. Is this on sale?
Oh, yes, because furniture prices can be a shock. I've walked in, seen a price tag, and the first thing out of my mouth was, is this on sale? Just like that. And sometimes the answer is yes. Always ask.
So expensive, right? Okay, next phrase, do you have this in a bigger size? So if you like a bed but it's not quite the right size, you say, do you have this in a bigger size? And swap bigger for smaller if you need to go the other way.
Yeah, and you can use it anywhere, not just for beds. You find a jacket you love, the small's too tight. Do you have this in a bigger size? Same words, any store. Really flexible.
Totally. Okay, here's a big one. Can I try it? Can I try it? When you're buying a bed, you really want to lie down on it and feel it. So you ask, can I try it? The salesperson absolutely expects you to ask. Don't feel shy.
Yes, always try it. Just walk up, point at the mattress, and say, can I try it? That's it. The salesperson will say yes every time. And if you feel a little nervous, just say it quietly to yourself first, then out loud. You've got this.
Love that. Okay, one more really important one. Does it come with a mattress? Because in a lot of stores, the bed frame and the mattress are sold separately. So you might think you're buying a complete bed and then you get home. No mattress, just the frame.
Such a terrible surprise. You carry it all home, you're so excited, and no mattress. So make it a habit. Before you pay, ask, does it come with a mattress? Every single time.
Right, so once you've confirmed everything, you actually get to try it. You lie down, and now you need to describe how it feels. So what words do we use for that?
Okay, comfort words. So you try the mattress, you lie down, and now you need to describe how it feels. There are 4 key words to know. The first one is soft. Soft, the mattress is gentle, squishy, you sink into it a little, like lying on a cloud.
Yeah, soft. You kind of melt right into it. Some people absolutely love that feeling. Personally, I find very soft mattresses a little too much, but everyone is different.
Right, and that's where firm comes in, the opposite of soft. Firm means the mattress is solid and strong. You don't sink into it much. A lot of people with back problems prefer a firm mattress because it supports your spine really well.
Right, so think about it. Are you a soft mattress person or a firm mattress person? Take a second, seriously, because when you walk into that store, you need to know the answer. It makes everything so much easier.
Such a good point. Okay, and then comfortable. Comfortable just means it feels good and right for your body. You lie down and think, yes, this is it. This is comfortable. You can say, this is very comfortable, or I feel comfortable on this one. And then the last word, too hard. That means it's not comfortable at all, like sleeping on the floor.
Yeah, too hard is a hard no. And here's a sentence you can use in the store. This is too hard. Do you have something softer? Or on the other side, this feels really comfortable. I love it. Both are totally natural things to say.
Exactly. Short, clear, comfortable to say. And the salesperson hears these words every single day. They will understand you perfectly.
Okay, so once you've found a bed you love, the mattress is comfortable, the price is right, then it's time to talk about delivery. Because honestly, you are not carrying a king-size bed home on the bus. And delivery can be stressful if you don't ask the right questions first.
Right, and I've been there. I once ordered furniture and had no idea when it was coming. I just waited and waited with zero information. So stressful. Okay, so 2 key delivery phrases. First, do you deliver? Do you deliver? That means, will you bring this to my home? Short, direct, 3 words.
Yeah, do you deliver? And most furniture stores do, but always ask. Sometimes delivery costs extra or it's not available in certain areas. Really good to know before you commit.
Exactly. Always ask. And then the second phrase, how long does delivery take? That means how many days until the bed arrives at your house. Because sometimes it's 3 days, sometimes it's 3 weeks. And if you don't have a bed right now, every single day feels very long.
Yeah, how long does delivery take? So important, especially if you just moved and have no bed yet. 2 days or 2 weeks, very different. Can you say both delivery phrases right now?
Right, so those 2 phrases, do you deliver and how long does delivery take? Write them down if you need to. Okay, so now here's the fun part. We've covered all the vocabulary, all the phrases. Let's put it all together in one real conversation, a role play. Sherry, you're the salesperson. I'm the customer. Let's go.
And if you're listening at home, follow along and try to spot every phrase we use. Okay, here we go. Good morning, welcome. Can I help you today?
Oh, hello. Yes, please. I'm looking for a bed.
Of course. What size are you looking for?
I think a queen bed? Yes, a queen size, please.
Great choice. We have several queen beds right over here. This one is very popular.
Oh, it looks nice. How much does this cost?
This frame is $750, but good news, it is on sale this week, 20% off.
Oh, that's good. Does it come with the mattress?
No, the mattress is sold separately, but we have some excellent mattresses right here next to it. Different options for every budget.
Okay, can I try it? Can I lie down on the mattress?
Of course. Please go ahead.
Okay. Oh. Oh, wow, this is really soft. Actually, maybe too soft for me. I kind of prefer something firmer. Do you have something firmer?
Yes, absolutely. Try this one right next to it. This one is a firm mattress.
Oh, yes. Yeah, this is much better. This feels really comfortable. I like this one a lot. And do you deliver?
Yes, we deliver. We deliver directly to your home address.
Great. How long does delivery take?
Delivery takes about 5 to 7 business days.
Perfect. I'll take it. The queen frame and this firm mattress, please.
Wonderful choice. Let's get you all set up.
And scene. Did you follow along with that? Because that was a really complete conversation. We used pretty much everything from today's episode.
Yes, we used the size, queen, we asked how much it costs, we asked if it comes with a mattress, we tried it. We used comfort words, soft and firm. We asked about delivery, all of it in one natural conversation. And if you can do that in a real store, you are totally set.
Okay, before we recap, quick challenge. Can you remember the 4 bed sizes from today? Think about it for 1 second. Ready? Single, double, queen, and king. We learned key store phrases. How much does this cost? Is this on sale? Do you have this in a bigger size? Can I try it? And does it come with a mattress?
And the parts of a bed: mattress, frame, headboard, pillow, bed sheets, and comforter.
And hey, if this episode was useful for you, please subscribe or follow the show so you never miss a new episode. We cover all kinds of everyday English situations just like this one. Shopping, traveling, at the doctor, at a restaurant. Practical English for real life.
And if you know someone who is also learning English, send this episode to them. Honestly, learning together is so much more fun. Okay, I'm Sherry.
And I'm Nikos. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Now go find that bed, walk into that store, and use your English. You've totally got this. We'll see you in the next one.